Hello, in this video we're gonna check if iPhone 14 Plus has a stereo speakers. And to do this, first we'll need to locate all of the speakers on this device, and the first one is right here on the top. It's a phone call speaker, nothing else on the sides, only one or actually two speakers on the bottom right here. So now to determine if that's a stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers, and if the sound is coming from the sources, that means it's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one source, that's a mono speaker. Now let's try that. So I can confirm that this device has a dual stereo speakers, because the sound was coming from bottom source and the top source. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.